So welcome again. We have seen the reason why we need to use Infinity Free, and I hope you have registered your account. If you have not registered, I've left the link in the description. Kindly use that link. It's my referral link. Then I would advise you click on Go Premium. Then you register for a premium account. We have seen one package that is very good for WordPress, which is Ultimate Premium. Just $7.99 per month, around $8 per month. And I would advise you register annually. You get 21 free domains, so you don't need to worry, and also free SSL certificate and unlimited bandwidth and super fast SSD powered servers. If you want to know what SSD is, you can check link in the description. We have gone through the latest technology. It's the fastest hard disks that are coming up. I think these days laptops comes with SSD. I would advise when you're buying even a laptop or a server, buy an SSD one. Even if the space is lower than the normal hard disk, the speed is super fast for SSD. So I want to go into details of that. So remember to sign up using the link in the description and sign up for Ultimate Premium so that you are not limited. But if you are short of cash, you can always register for Super Premium. I think the only limitation is 250 GB bandwidth. If your website you don't anticipate you have many users, which you can always upgrade once you reach the threshold. You can always upgrade to Ultimate Premium. If you're doing it for training or you're just starting, you can always register for free account using the link in the description. So I want us to log into our WordPress website. So when you log into Infinity Free, this is the dashboard you get. So at home, this is what you get, and you have a maximum, as we said in the previous video, of 3. Me, I already have 2. These are 2 different websites. So I click the account that I've registered, then I click Software Curious Installer because I want to log into my WordPress dashboard. So this will take you to where you get various installations. These are tools you can use to develop anything you want. Then we click installations because we already have one installation. Then we click manage. So now we have access to our WordPress installation, and you just click login. You don't need to remember details. Already they are saved, and I'm now logged in from WordPress dashboard. If you notice, it has my website link and WP admin. So this tells you I'm logged in on the admin panel of our website. If we click on the link for our website here, so I can close that, we don't need. This is how my website looks like. This is the front end without the menus on top. If you are to open this in incognito mode so that I'm not logged in, this is how you test websites. If you don't want to be logged in, this is how the website looks right now. So we'll clean up this, and remember I told you they track. Notice this I equals 1. If you keep on refreshing, this number keeps on changing for Infinity Free. That's why it's not advisable for mobile applications, because if this URL keeps on changing, then you won't be able to access your web service. Let's see if I can access one for the app, like this one. You see, it doesn't have a question mark I equals 1, but these have. So that's the difference. I wanted to bring that out. So this is how our website looks like. You can minimize that. I can close this. So when you are logged into our dashboard, on the left you have the menus, and you also have quick access to your website. So for now, the first thing we want to do is to install a theme. A theme is like a look and feel of the website. How do you want your website to look like? You can always use ChatGPT. So if we go to appearance, there are themes. Appearance, then themes. We'll come to the rest as we go along. So don't worry about them. So you click appearance, then themes. You have the installed themes. Currently I'm using 2023. There's also 2021. If I want to use it, I can just activate. There's also 2022. I can activate. And if we activate this, and it will deactivate the 2023 as you notice. And I go to my website. I'm accessing in incognito mode so that we have a look and feel how the website looks like outside. This is the 2021, and you can also activate and also customize. For us, we want to install a new theme. You just click add new theme, and you have all popular themes here, which you can always install. You can always get these themes. There are those which will be paid if you are downloading from a third-party site. So make sure you abide to their license, but most of them, they are always available here. So if you don't know which theme to use, you can always go back to ChatGPT and ask, I want. So you can always instruct ChatGPT and tell it, I want theme for my WordPress website development. So you can use ChatGPT to get some of themes, and you can just copy the name. Let's say you want Ocean WP. You copy, then you come to where you search themes, then you paste, and you have it. For us as beginners, and assuming we don't know how to use ChatGPT, you can always scroll down and see which theme works best. Remember, you don't want to put a theme, then you're changing it in between when your website is live. And again, we also need to take note of what we want to do with our websites. So we're making money, so you must make sure the blog you're selecting allows you to also integrate ads from AdSense and also from AdSteller. So I think the list is address. We want to go through all that. So let's scroll up. Let's see if I put blog, whether we can have some. Go blog. Agma blog. Blognet. And that looks good. But we can always change. There's one I'd seen, I'm not sure where it has gone. Yeah, Blogerize is what I was looking for. You can always preview to see how it looks like. So those are the blogs. And you have categories. I think this can work. So you just click install. If it has plugins, it will tell you, but for now, don't install plugins. We may not need them at the moment. Then you click activate. So now if you go to where your website name is, then you click visit site. This is also another way of visiting your website. This is how your website looks like. So we'll clean up what we don't need and start creating our articles. So I like it because of the color. For now we are not doing branding, but you can go ahead and do branding. That is, you get your color theme, your logo, and how you want your website to look like. For now, we won't go into those details. If you want to know how to do full branding, corporate branding, I'll be doing a separate tutorial on my alternative channel, so you can follow that. So let's go back to our dashboard. So we have installed our theme here, and our current theme is here. You can always click start a site so that it loads the details for you, but we want to do from scratch. So the next thing is to clean up some of the items. Let's open this on a new page. So like the title of our website, we need to change that. So we go to customize. So as you can see, it has a pro version, but I won't go into that. We use a free theme. So we start with site identity. So we need a logo. This we will create with the Canva and update. So our site title, we can call it WordPress blog. WordPress blog. Monetization, because this channel is all about making money. Then you can also have a tagline. Tagline can be make money with your WordPress blog. Here we can put a capital, then here capital. Display site title, we don't need to display that. So there we will display our logo. Then we have site icon. So let's create our logo. So we go to canva.com. If you have not created an account, just create a free one. You can use your Gmail. On my side, I'm using Canva Pro so that I get the best templates. You can also upgrade yours to Canva Pro. So we want a logo for our website. We just skim through Right Studio. You can just go through the list and pick one. Like me, I can pick, I think, of these. Let's drill down to WordPress logo. See if we can see one related to WordPress. We don't have. We can just pick any and then customize. Remember, if you want to design a full logo, you may need to go through the design process. So let's pick one, then we click customize. I will use my company name. WordPress monetize. WordPress. Let's call it monetize it. Then here We can come to elements, then we search for WordPress. We see if we can get, but don't use logos from WordPress. Let's which one we can use. I think this one is okay, so we can remove that, then use this, then select everything. We need to center these, so it is centered. So we can download this, but you can go ahead and customize yours. Then we need a transparent background and download. Then we come to customize, select logo. We go to where we have downloaded our downloads folder, then we pick our logo. You can also put alt name, but for now just use our name, Chanta Third, then select. Then you can always crop. So let's crop, then crop image, and you have our logo there. Then you also need a site icon. I think we can also use the same. This one is small, even that 500. We need 512 by 512. We can always go back to our logo and resize to custom, then 512 by 512, then copy and resize. Then again download these with a transparent BG background. Then download. Then we select site icon, and upload. Then click select. Then publish. So if we go to our website now, let's see. You see the site icon here. So we have a logo added, but as you note, the logo is too big. We can always either resize that. So let's go back to the logo, resize. I think a small logo would fit. Let's do 200 by 200. Then resize. Then we download. With a transparent BG. So download. Then we come and change logo. We select the one that we have loaded, then select. We can crop that, let's just do crop. Then we publish. Always remember to publish. Then we just refresh. I think this is better. As an alternative, I can always remove these. I may not need for my blog. But there is a white space. Instead of having that white space, let's just put our logo back. And notice the minimum size. So let's select, then remember to crop image, then we publish. So we are done with the site identity. So we go back, we come to header option, top bar. You can show or hide. One for breaking news. I think in this case we can hide because we don't have articles. We are left with social media icons. Again, these ones let's hide for now. Once we start creating our articles, we'll come and hide. So that's gone. We go back. Banner advertisement. For now, I think we can remove that. Then refresh. We read our advertisements using code. Then there is menu. We have search. We have notification, and we have what else? Subscribe. Let's see. Can remove subscribe. Then publish. You can leave the search. Okay. Then we go back. Then we go to menu. I think that should be fine. Then we go to theme option, blog page, category. I think these are better done when we are doing we have done an article and we have seen how they are displayed. Let's go back to our blog. We see what else. Let's see, copyright. That's fine. Can always leave it. Footer option. This we can customize before we go live. Once we have enough articles. Sidebar settings. Let's remove that. We see what it is. So some of these we may need to clean up. We'll come and add them later. You missed section. I think these we can first remove until we create enough articles. Okay, we are just cleaning up. So breadcrumb. So let's publish. We'll activate later the ones that we need. So we come back to single page. I think we don't need to show category. We don't need to show all the dates, tags. I think the rest are other details we don't need to show. Date, other. I may not want to show them. Yeah, our blog is taking shape. Then we go back. Blog page. Show date and other header. What else? I think that's fine. Good. So if we refresh, notice what we can see. So we go back. Sidebar, I think we have hidden that. Footer option. Social media, I don't think we need to show that for now. Then publish. Then refresh. Okay. Then we go back. General layout. We go to sidebar. I think that's fine. Blog. Look, I think we can fit with that. Single layout, we can leave that. Page, that one we can leave the way it is. Featured slider, for now let's not show. Featured link, again let's hide that. Color, as I said during introduction, when you're doing branding, that's where now you come with a color coder. But I can leave the theme the way it is. I can change later. Header image, we don't need to do that. Background, if you want to add a background image, you can do that. We come to menus, so we'll be creating our menus here. For now, let's first clean up. We got widgets, side area. Click got it. So you can always add. For now, let's see. Recent posts. So let's see. Delete archive. Delete this. Remove. We are just cleaning up. We don't need categories. So delete. We're just cleaning up. Delete this. Recent comments, also delete that. Delete that. Recent posts, let's delete. We'll add later. So we are just cleaning up our blog. Delete. Then we publish. Preview. So we only have such. I think these are okay. Let's see. We can delete that. And also delete these. Then publish. Let's see our blog. Yeah, we can always add. For now, we are just cleaning up. So I think with this, we are ready to start creating our blogs. But let's see. Footer. Footer we can add, but not now. We'll add widgets. Then home page. You show the latest posts. That one we can leave. Additional CSS, I think that one we can leave it. So let's see. Link for blog posts. We don't need to show category. So publish, and then we just refresh. So as you note now, we can start creating our blog articles and also pages. So in the next one, we'll be creating the essential pages that are required for AdSense approval. That is terms and conditions, privacy policy, disclaimer, contact us, and about us. So we'll create that with the help of ChatGPT. Images we'll get from Canva if they are needed. Then we start creating our blog articles with the pages, and we create the first blog article using ChatGPT and upload. We should be able now to apply for AdSense monetization. So let's meet in the next one, where now we create the pages. Then after that, we create our first article, link up with AdSense, and after that, now it's a matter of just uploading articles. Then as we go along, we integrate affiliate marketing. Since I'm doing WordPress, I think there are so many areas of affiliate programs. One of them is web hosting, domains, themes, plugins. So you go through all that and show you how you monetize your website. But most important, AdSense, because those applies to across all of us irrespective of your niche. But as you follow along, you see how now I had other affiliate programs, and it's the same way you can add affiliate programs on your website. So let's meet in the next one, and thank you.